The PS5 ShareFactoryStudio recently added new creator packs to their collection. This video will show you all that the Alien Encounter creator pack has to offer you. Generally there are custom intros, outros, titles, stickers, screenshots and transitions, and I'll show you all of these in this quick video. So let's start looking at the Alien Encounter intro, title and outro. There's just one Alien Encounter screenshot. And next up there's 3 Alien Encounter transitions. These are the available Alien Encounter stickers. And then these are the Alien Encounter text fonts available. So shown here are the videos to watch next. That was the Alien Encounter creator pack. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and please use support creator code NoMoreNoobie in the item shop. It really does help me out. Thanks very much for watching and bye.